my little Japanese quail, being so cute. I never get to see him in his little nest, and this is kind of special. Oh, what's this? Is somebody watching you? Oh, somebody's watching your nest.